Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Telegram using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily block a user on the Telegram app using the latest update. It's a simple process, and it's perfect for keeping your chats private and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, just sign in by scanning the QR code from your mobile device or entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats and contacts right on the screen. Next, find the person or chat you want to block. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific person by name or phone number. Once you locate the conversation, click on it to open the chat. Now, to block the user, you'll need to right-click on the chat. This will open a small menu with a few options. Look for the option that says Block User and click on it. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to block this person. Confirm your choice, and you're done. The person will be blocked immediately. They won't be able to send you messages, see your online status, or know when you've read their messages. However, they won't be notified that you've blocked them. That's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Telegram using your PC. If you ever decide to unblock them, simply follow the same steps, and you'll be able to restore contact. Blocking someone on Telegram is a quick and easy way to protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.